Inspiring bilingual stories for English or Arabic learners. 18. Skipping steps. 18. تخطي الخطوات. This is the story we're reading today. هذه هي القصة التي نقرأها اليوم. This is Suraya, your polyglot teacher. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell. تتطلب معظم وصفات عائلتنا عدة خطوات. Most of our family recipes require several steps. عليك أن تطبخ اللحم أولاً ثم تضيف الخضار مثلاً. You need to cook the meat first, then add the vegetables, for example. اتضح أنه يمكن بالفعل الحصول على نفس النتائج. Well, it turns out that you can actually get the same results عن طريق طهي كل شيء معا وتخطي الخطوات. By cooking everything together, skipping steps. هل نجحت في تخطي خطوات الوصفات؟ Have you had success skipping recipe steps? I'll be publishing these stories in Kindle Vella and eventually as a workbook on Amazon. The links to these are in this video description. Continue studying. Click on the next video. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell. والنقر على الجرس.